In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send or transfer money from GCash to a Metrobank account. Before we begin, make sure your phone has a stable internet connection, your GCash app is updated, and your wallet has enough balance to cover the amount, plus any applicable transfer fee. Have the recipient's exact account name and account number ready. Small typos can cause delays or failed transfers, so it's worth double-checking these details. Start by opening the GCash app on your device and logging in as you normally do. On the home screen, look for the transfer option. Tap Transfer to open the bank transfer section. If the app shows different wording or a slightly different layout, don't worry. Just look for the area where you can send money to banks. Next, go to the local transfers section. In the search bar, type Metropolitan. You're looking for Metropolitan Bank and Trust Company, which is Metrobank. When it appears in the list, tap it to open the transfer form. You'll now see the fields where you'll enter the transfer details. Begin with the amount. Enter the exact amount you want to send, then fill in the account name, matching the recipient's name as it appears on their bank records, and enter the account number exactly as provided. Take your time here. Accuracy is crucial because bank transfers are often irreversible once sent. If there's a field for notes or a message, you can add a short reference to help the recipient identify the transaction, though this is optional. Review the details on the screen carefully. At this stage, GCash may display the transfer fee and the estimated processing time. Many transfers post instantly, but depending on network conditions or bank maintenance, it can take a little longer. When everything looks correct, tap Send Money. Follow the prompts on your screen to confirm the transaction. You may be asked to enter your GCash PIN or complete a quick authentication step. Wait for the confirmation page or receipt to appear. It will include a reference number. Consider taking a screenshot or saving it in case you need to track the transfer or provide proof to the recipient. That's it. You've opened GCash, tap Transfer, selected Local, search for Metropolitan to find Metrobank, entered the amount, account name, and account number, then tap Send Money and followed the prompts. If you encounter an error, double-check the details and try again later, as occasional maintenance or limits can temporarily affect transfers. Otherwise, your funds should be on their way safely to the Metrobank account.